Hey Griddle Nation, my name is CJ, I'm the Blackstone Bartender, and today it is National Scotch Day. So I thought I would share this momentous occasion with you by showing you how to make a classic Scotch-based cocktail called the Rusty Nail. Let's do this. So first, a couple fun facts. Why is it called the Rusty Nail? Some actually used to think it's because they stirred the ingredients with an old rusty nail back in the day. Nobody can prove that, so we're not real sure. But what we can prove is when this cocktail made its rise to the top. So back in the 1960s in Manhattan, at the 21 Club, the chairwoman from the Drambuie Liquor Company dubbed the Rusty Nail the drink of choice. And from that moment on, at that specific club, it blew up. In fact, it blew up so much that some people say the Rat Pack started drinking it and then took it all across Hollywood. We're not real sure about that. I like to believe that's the case, but I say less talking, more pouring. Let's get into the cocktail. This classic Scotch-based cocktail has just a few ingredients. The first thing you need is a rocks glass. Fill that up with ice, and then we are going to add our Scotch. Of course, add the Scotch of choice that you like. Then we're gonna add our Drambuie. Honestly, you guys could stop right there. You could stir up that Drambuie and that Scotch and you are all set. But something I love to do with this cocktail is add Angostura bitters, give this a stir and a twist of orange. Seriously, it can't get any more simple than that. It's National Scotch Day. You should be drinking Scotch anyway. But if you're gonna drink this, be sure that you take a picture, show us, post it in the comments down below. Also, if there's a cocktail you'd like to learn about in the future, be sure to post that. We'll do our best to get to it. In the meantime, if you want this recipe and more, please be sure to visit blackstoneproducts.com. I am CJ, your Blackstone Bartender, and until next time, cheers.